Hey, what's up guys? I'm here again bringing you two new deals today. This one, the first one, it's a kit. It comes with, amazingly, it comes with three batteries. One is 2 amp hours, the other one is 4 amp hours, and the last one is 6 amp hours. So the total for this kit for the impact driver and also the drill, the hammer drill, the total is $199. So it's amazing because these are the fuel version. It's the M12 also. So as you can see, the price is pretty good because it includes 3 batteries. Also the charger, as you can see here, the charger and the bag. Okay, so this is a pretty good deal, especially for the batteries. The 6 amp hours battery, it gets pretty expensive if you buy it separately. So this is definitely a good deal. As you can see, also the reviews are amazing. So this is a really cool tool. And also, if you're not familiar with the M12 line, these are a little bit smaller and it can fit in a little bit smaller spaces. So it's definitely a really good deal. I'm going to show you the second deal today. The second deal, as you can see, it's $204. This is the Magnum Project Painter Plus paint sprayer. It's made by Graco, which is an amazing brand if you're looking into paint sprayers. And also here, as you can see, it's 204 and it says that it was 235, which is not really correct. I don't even know why they put that there because it's usually like 269. If we look at Lowe's, this is exactly the same sprayer and it's 269. And if we look at Amazon, exactly the same thing, so it's $269. I've seen it multiple times at Home Depot at this price at $269. So yeah, it's almost $70 that you can save. This is an amazing sprayer. Something that you can do with this one, you can not only paint water-based with water-based paints, but also you can use oil-based paints. For example, if you're trying to paint your fence or your deck or whatever, you can use this one. You just need to make sure that you use non-flammable paint, and then you should be good to go. Just remember to clean it up as soon as possible. As soon as you're done with your project. Okay, guys? So if you've got any requests, just leave it in the comments. Give me a like and also subscribe to my channel. And remember to subscribe with a bell so that you can receive a notification every time I bring you another deal. Okay? See you guys.